Today the stage was 22.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring, and minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 22.0 feet. Forecast. The Red River will continue rising to near 22.5 feet Saturday evening. The Red River will fall below flood stage mid-Sunday morning. Impact at 23 feet. Crop and drainage lands, pecan groves and drill roads are affected. Agricultural levees begin to overdop when the river stages rise above 23 feet. Though not flooded, some areas at the edge of the floodplain may be isolated by high water inside channels. Bottom lands near Charlie, Texas begin to flood several hours before the crest reaches Durham, Oklahoma, with flooding reaching the inland area near Oklahoma several hours later.